Hi, and welcome to How to Use Your TI Inspire. I'm Mr. Hill, and today we're going to be learning how to find the y-intercept with various equations after we have graphed them into our calculator. I'm going to be covering 3 different examples, so I would like you to follow along. So, start by opening up a new document and add graphs. The first example I would like us to type in is 5x minus 1. And as you can see, we get some sort of line. Now, in order to find the y-intercept, we go to Menu, and this time, Trace. After we hit Trace, we simply hit Graph Trace. So, as you can see, we get a little crosshair with a little circle around it, and it gives us this 0, -1 point. This will always bring us to the y-intercept when we hit Graph Trace. So here's our y-intercept, and here's that point. This will also work with quadratic equations. So we hit Tab, scroll back up, erase all of the 5x minus 1, and let's type in x squared minus 3 and hit Enter again. And we get our parabola. Now, to find the y-intercept, let's do the exact same process of Menu, Trace, Graph Trace. And as you can see, it gives us the exact same type of crosshairs in the circle, and it gives us the order pair for that y-intercept, which is 0, -3. Now, we know that some quadratic equations will not always have the y-intercept shown on our window. So, in order to do something like that, let's do this next example by opening up your tab, scrolling up, and erasing all of x squared minus 3. And we're going to type in x squared plus 6x minus 10 and hit Enter. And as you can see, the y-intercept is not clearly shown. But that's okay, we can figure this out by going to Menu, Window Zoom, and Zoom Out. And then we're going to simply click until we can see where it crosses the y-axis. Now that I can see where it crosses the y-axis, we go back to Menu, Trace, Graph Trace. And it still gives us 0, -10 and our y-intercept. This has been how to find the y-intercept using your Menu and Graph Trace with using any type of equation that we can type in. I hope this helps and hope you're able to use it in the future. Have a good day.